Today we're going to go ahead and explain how to open iPhone 7 Plus. 7 Plus. So we're going to go ahead and find how this device is going to be opened by an expert technician who is really training me and has been with me for a month now. So let's go ahead, bro. He's going to show us how to open.
How to begin with from...
First, he's going to stick his finger. No, we cannot see. We cannot see what he's doing. So I think he has to stick his finger in there with this direction or that. How did you put it?
Move from...
Okay, so we're gonna go down by opening. So it easily splits as soon as you stick your nail in there. I can see that